The Makana Boutique Chocolate Factory in Blenheim, located in the heart of the Marlborough Wine Trail at the top of the South Island, is a must-see visitor attraction. From the moment you step into Makana, your senses are aroused by an array of delicate aromas of the chocolate and the fresh ingredients we use, creating our range of over 50 confections. In the viewing area, you can watch our confectioners make an amazing range of products. A visit to Makana also means you get to taste these divine creations, as we offer complimentary samples to all our guests. You'll be amazed at the smooth textures, the fresh flavours. Our friendly staff are always happy to help you select from our extensive range of handmade chocolates and other natural temptations. You'll love the experience of Makana Confections. If you can't visit Makana personally, view us and purchase through our website www.makana.co.nz or free phone 0800 Makana.